My dear friends, every day I just make videos on different topics, but today's video is going to be totally different from all other videos. In this video, I'm not going to talk about any specific topics. Today actually is about a journey that I have had today. So this is a hospital, you can see. The name of this hospital is called Excel Care Hospital. In this hospital, one person is here, okay. That person is none other than the father of one of our students who studies in our institute. As his name is Kashyap, and his father is a farmer, and the father has been here in this hospital for few days, and the father is running sort of money for the treatment. So that's why with all other students of my institute, they donated little sum of money, and with all of the money that also we added with that, and today the teachers, we are here just to help them out the way that we could. It's not about money all the time, just love and care that we have. It is about 137 kilometers away from my place this hospital is situated, but coming here also we are not feeling very happy, because looking people at the situation where they are unable to afford money for the treatment, then they are in a very helpless situation. But the amount that we have collected, it is just a small amount. It is about only 15,000 amount that we have collected. I know that this is not a big amount for them, but still this is not amount of money, but it is a token of love from the students of my institute. So we feel very happy to donate this little amount to them at the time of very necessity. And I think I have no other words actually. This is not the time of speaking, but still I tried, because Rahul sir normally tells that wherever you go, you try to record one video and try to share with the people, and hence I'm sharing this one. This is nothing but an act of humanistic sensitivity. So thank you, have a good day.